Okay, so on this one we're going to fit the gutter edge drip plate. Contractor's making a mark around the edge of the roof, right where it falls over the sides. This front edge here is where the drip plate is going to be fitted. There are curb edges as well on the other two dimensions, but he's going to trim all edges down to 50mm. The drip plate is placed in position. We send it over the edge of the roof, and what this does effectively is trap the Epdm membrane between the back plate and the drip plate. The drip plate will secure into a hook on the back plate, and it will snap into place, and it will secure that edge completely.